What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today is day 2 of James' custom Lectric XP paint job, guys. In the previous video, we dismantled the whole bike. Only thing we got left to take off is the crankshaft and the pedals. So we're gonna do that. The problem that we had is we didn't have the proper tool to do it. But your boy went to the local bike shop, and guess what I got? The tool. If anybody lives in the IE or wherever at this point, and you guys need this tool, I will rent it out to you, and I'm dead serious, all right? Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you guys need the crankshaft puller tool. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take off these pedals, and then we're gonna start the next process, which is prepping the bike. We gotta sand everything down. We gotta tape off some parts. You guys will see the Lectric XP in its rawest form. We're really dedicated to this, guys, okay? Like, nobody's ever done this before. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Hit that like button already. You know it's a banger, all right? We're putting you guys on at this point, all right? We're not even counting how many video ideas we got. This is just like a freaking streamline of quality content. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So Jane decided that she wants to do a custom fender, kind of like I did, but different design. So we've been drawing out different ideas, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. If you guys like a design that we did, let us know which one you liked. That's the fender?
That's a fender.
The joint fat as hell. All right.
We'll do that.
It's cool. It's cool.
Whatever.
All right. So what'd you giving them? Let's see.
So I'm thinking like, not like chopper style, but like chopper style.
Okay.
So the first thing I had in mind was like a multi-tiered vibe.
Okay.
So it kind of tapers in like that.
Tapers in.
But then it like waterfalls down to a second level, right?
Okay. What's the second level doing?
It's gonna taper in once more.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go down to the stingray.
Oh, that'll be
Point.
fire.
The stingray tail point.
That'll be fire. So kind of like mine, but an extra
With
level.
an extra little tier.
That would be sick.
So these will be gone. And gone.
Is that the only idea you had?
These are the other ones I had, but they're kind of trash. The Pac-Man mouth. And then the bowling pin.
That shit look like a penis. Is it weak?
And then we had the same concept, but just doing it on the very tip of the joint.
The nipple.
Alright, so we're gonna go with
Yeah. So yeah, I think we're going with this, guys.
yeah, we're gonna go with the multi-tiered stingray tail.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the crank using this tool, okay? This is how it comes. First thing you want to do is take this piece off. You're gonna thread it in your crank. You gotta take off the dust cap first. We already did that. And you're gonna thread it inside the crank. Then you're gonna get one of these tools. And you're just gonna tighten it just a little bit. Make sure it's all the way tight. Once this is in there, you're gonna take this tool and then you're gonna go watch somebody else's YouTube video, because I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. What's the next step? So then you're gonna screw it in here.
That's why he took off his pedal.
That's so dumb. No. It's gotta be a way.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And he said as you screw that in, it should be separating from.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, that's like literally what he said. The more you screw that in, it separates, and then it will just pop out.
Oh. So now what?
He was saying, like in his video, it just popped out.
It didn't pop out. Cause it's in there.
Yeah, it's coming apart. Look, keep going.
Come on. Dude, why do they make it so tight? After a group effort from every single member in my family, we were able to get off the freaking pedals. Guys, look at the joints. Now, the problem that we're facing now is we can't get the freaking tool off the freaking pedal. But we got them off. So we're gonna leave it on there for now. Now we're gonna get into the body work. I don't know if you guys are ready for this, but I am. All right, guys. So instead of the multi-tiered stingray tail we're gonna actually do this. We pulled this off of Google, and this is Jane's rendition of the joint. But we're gonna try to do something like that. Jane, this is the point of no return. Once I start sanding this, we're gonna have to fully commit to the custom paint job. Are you ready for this?
I think I'm ready.
Well, let's get it there. So what we're gonna do, we got a 180 sandpaper. This is how you take off the actual stickers, guys. You need a 180 grade, okay? Grit. So all these decals, all the logos and stuff, Lectric logos, those are actually stickers that are clear coated over. So in order to take it off, you gotta get that clear coat off, and then you can just peel the sticker, right?
I don't think that's how it works, but we gonna see.
We're just sanding the sticker off?
Right?
I don't know, it's a thick clear coat. Yeah, it's just getting the sticker off. The sticker just comes right off.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. Keep going.
Looks like a Batman symbol right there, guys. I like it.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Way better.
Thank you, sir. See, that's the vision.
Here's the front fender that my dad just cut. Look at the design on this though. Tell me this ain't perfection. Oh my God, I can't wait. If you guys want custom fenders, hit your boy up, $1,000 a piece. Look at it, guys. There's no logos on the joint, no branding from Lectric. Even though we love you, Lectric, please send us a bike. But look at the joint. So the primer that we're using is actually a filler primer. This is used to when you sand it down so much where you need to fill that space. So we're just spraying this real quick. Once this dries, then we'll be able to sand it down, scuff it up, and paint it. We got the professional painter over here though, doing this thing. Look at the technique, guys. I love it like this, dude. You guys can't tell, but this is a matte black finish, dude. If it was me, I would keep my bike just like this. But stay tuned, you guys can see the actual color in a later video. All right.
Look, money, my money, my money. Living a life and that for me. You cannot tell me you want me. I gotta get it 100. I gotta get it 100. 100 times over 1,000. Looking at me like I'm